If you love okra that is thick, stretchy, and packed with seafood, then this recipe is for you. Today I'm making a solid seafood okra soup loaded with prawns, shrimps, and fish. No shortcuts, just pure flavor. Let's start cooking. You're going to start by washing your seafood properly. Then you place it in a pot. You're going to season that with salt, seasoning cubes, and onions. And then you're going to go in with a little water and cook the seafood until it's tender. And then you're just going to set that aside. Don't overcook it. Seafood cooks very fast. So what I'm going to do is when it's done cooking or when it's a bit soft, I'm going to bring it out and then I'm going to place it in the oven so that I can grill it a little bit so it doesn't break easily in the pot. But if you don't want to, you can just keep that part, but I believe that makes it a bit tougher when you're cooking. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to now go in with my prawns and my stockfish so that I will cook them until they're also tender. Next step is to cut up your okra. So I'm going to cut this okra into twos, like two types. I'm going to cut off or slice one part and then the other part I'm going to blend it in. You're going to see what I'll do with that while we are cooking. So you're just going to cut it into the blender, go in with a little water to help the blending, and then you're going to bring it out and set it aside. So while you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and prepare your pepper mix. For that, I have bell pepper, tatache, and also scotch bonnet peppers. We're going to go ahead and blend that as well, and then we're going to set it aside too. So that's it. If you also have your ugu, I have frozen ugu leaves, so that's what I'm using. If you have fresh ugu leaves, go right ahead and also slice it. So when you're done with all your preps, you're now going to get ready to start with the cooking. So in a clean pot, we're going to heat some palm oil on low heat, and then you're going to go in with your sliced onions. You're going to fry this until the onions becomes very fragrant, and then we're going to go in with our iru, that is locust beans, but this is optional. I know some people don't like using it because of the smell. If you don't like that, you can skip it, but it gives the okra soup a very traditional flavor and taste. Next, you go in with your blended pepper mix. You're going to stir that and let that fry. Remember, we are frying all this on low heat, and let that fry until the oil floats a little bit to the top and the pepper starts to separate. Now this is it. After a few minutes, we're going to go in with our blended okra. Firstly, this is going to help the okra soup to draw, to become stretchy, and it's also going to help it to have that feel of sliminess in the soup. We're going to stir that, okay, mix it properly until everything is well mixed together. Next, we're going to go in with our stock, with the stockfish and the prawns. You're going to go in with that, and then you're going to give it a stir. After stirring, we're also going to add our remaining seafood, which is the shrimps. I'm just going to go in with that, and then I'm gonna cover the pot and let it cook together so that all the flavors and ingredients will marry together. Then after around 8 minutes, I'm now going to go in with the sliced okra. Okay, we're going to go in with the sliced okra, and then we're going to stir this continuously. I also added crayfish here, some salt, and also seasoning cubes. We're going to stir that, and this is where the magic happens. Okay, you stir this continuously. All right, keep stirring to activate the draw so that the soup can draw very, very well. So we're gonna stir this, and at the last part we're now going to gently introduce our fish. We're going to go back in with the fish that we grilled earlier, or if you didn't grill it, you just go in with the fish that you took out earlier. So when you add it in, you need to be very careful. Okay, you're going to stir that gently, very, very gently, so that you don't break the fish. All right, just stir it gently, and then you're going to test and adjust your seasonings if needed. Then after stirring, you're gonna cover this pot and let everything cook together. Okay, so we want all the taste and the fish and everything to marry well together. Now after about 8 minutes, we're going to introduce our leaves. I'm using ugu leaves. This is frozen ugu leaves. I took it out to defrost. If you have fresh one, go in with it, and then you're going to stir that. You stir it once, and then you're gonna allow it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so that we don't overcook the vegetables. We still want it to be crunchy and very green. This is it. After about 3 minutes, this is our okra soup, our seafood okra. It's very stretchy and very solid, and it's really, really very nice. It's so flavorful. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe for more delicious Nigerian meals. Let me know in the comments how you like your okra, very drawy or moderately thick. This okra soup is so yummy and so good. I hope you enjoy it when you make it. Alright, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.